So this is my cousin. I'm not even joking. He's actually right next to me playing it. We got into a code. And this is my truck. We had the same trucks. This is his gas. He's about to make it a diesel truck though. Because he's making his dad's truck. Blake, you follow me? Behind me? Slow down. If you see my lights glow up, that means I'm hitting the brakes. That was my horn. Get up next to me. Turn your headlights on. There's a button up there. See your headlights right here. You're on top of my truck. I'm gonna get you some LED headlights.
Okay.
So yeah, I have a light bar on top of my truck up here.
Yeah.
Right up here.
Yo, how do you get a dually?
You want a dually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish.
It's a pretty nice truck. Well, the dually's like 15,000 to be honest. Say hi.
Huh?
Look,
I
look,
forgot
see?
I dressed my character like that.
Yeah, you remember you always had it like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty fire. Pretty fire. Come here real quick.
So, yo.
What are you doing, bro? He can't catch me. I just get my truck and drive away because his truck's slower than mine. You gonna hit me with my... You're not catching up with me. You can drive.
Damn it, I want to upgrade my turning.
You upgrade your turning. It's not a thing.
How are you turning so good?
Because I hit the brakes. I go out wide and then I hit the brakes and come in. This is not where you want. Oh my God, you got me swerving. I'm coming to help you because I got a winch and a really strong truck. Bet you can't catch me now. Oh, you want me to chase you? I bet you I could find you but not be near you though. Like that sounds weird. But stop. Or not.
What the fuck?
How you doing? Bet you can't catch me. Ski. I took a right turn if you're wondering and went up on this highway. Did you see me up there? Well, I turned around and I'm going up. And I'm going down.
My truck is just gonna damn take full damage. I mean, like,
Don't cuss me. You forgot I was recording. Yeah, I know. My truck does that all the time. It's alright. I took the wrong turn, but it's alright. I'm gonna buy it. No, that is not the way. It's not the way, bro. You're gonna get stuck. Okay, now I gotta find you. Where are you at? You're not getting out of that. Your truck's not strong enough. I'm coming. Where are you at? Yeah, but I'm gonna find where you are. Oh no, stop. Let me catch up. Because I could just follow your like tracking guy. Did you go that way? Because you were in this corner right there.
Then I went over there.
Not up this road.
That
You didn't go up that road because that's the road I was on.
So I was right here. I came out of here.
Back here. Oh, I think I know who you are. Did you come back here and then take that turn? Yeah, you did. Hold on, I'm coming. Actually, yeah, you can go because I'm faster than you. I see you. Turn around, bro.
Wait, it's the opposite way?
Turn around. I'm getting it. God. I think I wiped out. Don't get stuck, Blicky, because I'm stuck and it'll be done for both of us.
Yo.
Oh, hold on. Wait for me. Wait for me. I passed that. No, I got stuck, so I couldn't go anywhere. Oh, what the? We're on like solid ground. Oh. Should I do it? You can get water damage.
That ain't gonna kill.
You better, because it's like 3,000. I got a lot of money. Yeah, I'm getting it already. It takes a lot of damage, bro. You want to do an experiment? It's about to hit, like, now. The way we go down is so funny.
It ain't hitting. Oh god, oh god.
Get out.
I can't pop.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, shoot. Let's go. Take a left turn. Yeah, that way. This way. Go.
Hey, my camera. Looking connected.
Go. Stay on that side. Well, I'm just passing you. Where are you going? And I'm gonna catch up with you. You know, I put like bio.